Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. We have a very, very interesting story today. Quite an interesting one, actually. Discussing Craig Butler and his involvement in the Jamaica Premier League. Quite an interesting one. I have to say, a very, very interesting one. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Let's get straight into it. Now, for those who don't know, I'm telling you guys now, for a good period of this year, Craig Butler has been trying to acquire or partner with a Premier League club in the Jamaica Premier League. And he has found it quite difficult, but up to now, you have found a club that, you know, can settle with, and that is Veer United. Apparently, it's a huge, huge partnership, and his partnership have to do with the managerial aspect of it. Managing the club, players, and coaches. So the possibility may lie that with Veer United, we will see a squad completely full of Phoenix players, and also a coach standing at the sideline with the man himself, Craig Butler. Here we go now. The founder of Phoenix All-Star Academy and president of Phoenix Sports Managing, Craig Butler, has joined forces with Clarendon Premier League club Veer United. We understand that Butler and his team will assume management of Veer United on football-related matters and the overall development of the club. Now, remember that, people. Craig Butler is the type of person to always speak about development, coaching, and let me tell you this, he always bash the local coaches him. Majority of them bash the local coaches them now. So this is now his time to prove the local coaches that he can get the job done and that it is really, really easier than what they make it seems. Now, I don't want anyone to come in the comment section and tell me about schoolboy football, because I want to see one disregard schoolboy football. Say this and that and rate it. Him winning the Manning Cup, soft. We have whole heap of coaches who have won Manning Cup and Dakar Cup, so let's not put that out there. Now, he's also been involved in quite a lot of clubs. He came 13th out of 14 in Central Major League. But that's how it is. Umberline has also been involved with Umberline. I think he was involved with Sporting Central as well back in the days. We haven't seen him come back from that. Secondly, he was involved in the club in Malta, in the Maltese League. Quite also an interesting story as well. And recently, he tried to acquire Vise, SRL, USRL, or URSL, sorry. And you know, things didn't went down well with that one. Also, that was in the Belgian division. But more recently, he was the head coach of the Baptist Alliance team, and things didn't necessarily go well down there as well. But there's a time here for redemption. There's a time here for redemption, so he can definitely put his name in the market as I know, crown best in the Jamaica. This is now his opportunity to prove the Jamaican people that he's the best coach in the island. Now, I know you will find people coming in the comment section that says he's the best. Look at Liam Bailey and Whisper. And there's a total difference, a huge difference between player development than coaching a team. Huge difference. Coaching a team is coaching the entirety of the team, managing the players, all those type of something, tactics, in-game management. That's what coaching involves. Player development is what you see in Leon Daly and Whisper, where it takes an individual talent and improve on them, like improve their kicking, improve their technical ability, improving their stamina. That is player development. It is coaching, but on an individual basis. Coaching, we're talking about a team coaching basis now. This is now his time to prove how good he is as a coach, as a team. No, this is also important time. Now, while a lot of persons don't know that, this is actually a big move for Phoenix management, because this is now going to provide a platform for the Phoenix players to get consistent football. The problem here now is this now. Craig Butler always consider transferring his players. Here the problem outside of Jamaica, in Europe, The problem here is this now. Some of these youngsters are going to have to sign professional contract. And maybe that won't be an issue because most of cricket Butler players them are not necessarily players who are rooting to go to college and normal route to go to the professional route, the normal route to go professional the professional way. So signing contract won't be. I don't think it would be a problem. But another issue here is yes, some of the Phoenix players are also some of the players playing for Mona. How will he balance schoolboy football and also Veer? Will he be the coach of Mona and also appoint himself as coach as Veer? Or will he allow another coach to coach his player? So these are all things in which things have to be considered. And most likely he would have worked something out. The question is, will he be the head coach of Veer United and also the head coach of Mona? That's an interesting question for me. Very, very interesting. But I'm telling you, the Jamaica Premier League season 2024-2025 will be interesting. And look how much, people, I can't wait for the season start. I want to see what's going to happen. And even, I'm telling you, even it's when Butler come in schoolboy football, and bring a buzz to schoolboy football. Because a lot of persons want to see him do successfully. You have a lot of persons also want him to fail because of his ego. So it's very, very interesting. And right now, we're going to see the same level of buzz for Jamaica Premier League. He did say he can walk the Jamaica Premier League. He said that out of mouth, he said. But nothing wrong with that. That's his confidence, and nothing wrong with having confidence. It's going to be interesting now to see if he actually can do it. And guess who else is coaching in the Jamaica Premier League? Drum roll, people. Can you imagine Cavalier versus Veer United games? Gee. Trouble. Cavalier versus Veer United game. Just imagine, hypothetically speaking, the first match between Cavaliers and Veer, Craig Butler win it. Say Craig Butler is the head coach of Veer and him win that. Gee. Yo! Me can tell you, people, me can see it happen before it even happen. Me can see it happen before it even happen. Very, very. Hey, people, me tell you. I know long. Hey, me tell you. People, JP got excited. Me tell them that. When you can laugh off of me say JP la Bush League, when you can cause this or that. But me find my excitement tonight. If you don't know how I find no excitement tonight, I food the business. I will find my excitement in it. But just to see when we see Tapper versus Speed, quite very, very interesting. Me I tell people, we need these rivals, we need these type of rivals in the Premier League to create some buzz, to create some fraction. We need it. It is needed. It is most definitely needed. Quite an interesting one. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Do you think this is a good move for the Phoenix All-Star Academy, Craig Butler and the Phoenix All-Star Academy to join partnership with a Premier League club? It's very important. In my view, I really believe that these players need to be playing football. And the thing is, you have some of the best young players in our country. So it is going to be quite interesting to see how this one progresses. Very, very interesting to see, because at the end of the day, people, this is football. And there's entertainment in football. The big part of football is, two big parts of football a lot of people tend to regard. So the business and the entertainment part, I think a lot of persons tend to regard that. Because the most of it, we think about why win this, win that. But those two parts, them two parts, they kind of keep it going. Entertainment and the business aspect. Because one, if there's no money, if there's no inflow of football in a particular league, the business aspect of it will be prioritized. The business aspect of it will be prioritized at the end of the day, because it must keep functional. Now, if there's money inflow in there, no, they are going to prioritize the entertainment part. Quite an interesting one. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Craig Butler and JPL, yo, big up on yourself, people. Now, I mean, when the first interview I come with him, I don't know. Will he come? I don't know. I can imagine me coming to interview him. Hey, back check him out. You ever see coach and media of our yeah, but that now got him still. I don't know. Funny thing is, I can't take up my phone right now and call him. All if we can cuss today and cuss tomorrow. In the middle of the day, in the evening before the two arguments, I can't take up my phone and call him. And it's just strange. Man, he was a cuss, but I can't take up my phone. I will chat for you one good 1 hour. But I say go. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Jamaica Premier League, schoolboy football. Hey! My time of year again. My time of year again. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless and Jairus idea. Boom.